I've always liked making stuff since I was young.
More like break things first, but then after you break them, you have to fix them.
This is my 3D printer. It's a 𝐵𝑟𝑒𝑎𝑘 Mark 3S. So I've done quite a number of things. Bike pedals for my indoor bike, phone stand for a specific phone, customizable shoe rack, this particular bike seat, which I'm currently testing on my mountain bike.
3D printing is a pretty big part of my life. It's part of my hobbies as well as at work. When I saw this shop, I was like, okay, quite interesting. Is 3D printing really a valid thing that people do for a living? At Pelagus, our focus is mainly on the maritime industry. We do a lot of components that go on board various commercial vessels. Right now, we're at Marina South here. These are the usual bump boats we take. So these are the small ones. We come on over here, we hop onto them. Then this will take us out to the much larger vessels that you see. To be honest, I was drawn to this shop because of the additive manufacturing side of things. But now that I'm here, I think maritime is also quite interesting. Unlike most engineering roles, we get to touch a very large range of parts. To be honest, I couldn't really imagine myself doing anything other than engineering. There is a very big gender gap in engineering. One of the common misunderstandings is that it is a very hard, very dirty job. It's a very wide range. Pretty much anyone can find something that interests them. So to all engineers out there, keep doing what you are doing. You are the reason why things are still moving.